Hello and welcome to Fat Monkey 404. Today we are building a set from the 25th anniversary. It's released at the start of the month. It's set number 75381. It's Droideka from Star Wars. These were used by the Trade Federation occupant of Naboo and then used in the Clone Wars. Were equipped with a powerful shield and generator which pulsed when out to shoot through its own shield with its twin repeating blasters. Yeah, these were a very good anniversary. The shield generator is made, which pretty made small arms fire obsolete on it, really. They needed an artillery strike or an AMP, hence why the Jedi kept on running away from the damn things. But they had weaknesses. Yeah, you could sneak up behind them. They didn't have no eyes on the back of their head. Their shield was weaker behind, so you can come up in close quarters, stick an AMP on it, or kick it up its ass and it wouldn't know you were there. They're pretty useless close up, really, because of the way they were designed, very, very slow on their feet. And their guns were far apart and fixed, they couldn't really attack you, so the safest place was to stay behind, if you could. To move, these used to, this is what always used to make me appeal to me. They used to roll in the ball and roll along. I didn't think they used to move that fast, but yeah, they could do about 45 miles, 75 kilometers an hour, kilometers, or 45 miles an hour. Like I said, they were quite fast. I thought you could run away from them, but obviously not. Yeah, but it was vulnerable though. When it's rolling and when it's transformed into its attack position or down to its rolling position, it had no shield, so they could be taken out. All in all, they were called destroy droids for a reason. But anyway, there's enough chatting, let's get on with it. So let's get cracking. And that's a wrap. Yeah, I do like this one. I know I say this on most videos, I buy things because I like them, and this is one of them. I've always liked these kind of guns with it run around, rolled around on the floor. I'm really glad they brought one out. Really like it. I love the way how it folds up and unfolds from a ball to a gun and a gun to a ball. Very, very clever. As I said, looks absolutely awesome. The only thing I was disappointed really was the piece that goes from the lower arm to the upper arm. I'd done that and thought, oh, where does it clip into? Well, it doesn't. It clips onto the bottom part of the arm and then it just sort of goes against the upper arm. It's a bit of a weird design, that. Bit of a letdown by Lego on that one, sorry. Yeah, not a great look. But yeah, absolutely awesome. Love the way it looks. It's a pity it doesn't actually come with its own shield generator, because that would be impressive. But yeah, glad I bought it, glad I've done it. That's going to take pride on the shelf downstairs somewhere. Don't have to find somewhere for it. Well worth the money. I think it was about 89 quid, 85 quid. Like I said, it's not really a toy, it's just a display piece like most of the ones they brought out for the 25th anniversary. But still awesome. Anyway, on to the next one, and I'll see you next time. Adios. If you've enjoyed the video, please like, and if you can, subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.